A great way to really tell how to find the right strain, the first step to that, my tip to people is always to smell it first. And if you smell it and that smell right there intrigues you, that's a good sign that it's going to actually connect with your cannabinoid system well. Because your body knows what it needs. And that's the same way that it craves food, where your body needs certain vitamins or minerals. And you see this a lot with females who are pregnant, where they have food cravings or just randomly craving certain things. And it's because your body is wanting the vitamins or the minerals or whatever is contained in that food, specifically your body is calling for. So it knows that it can get it from this thing. So it's giving your body a craving for it. So the same concept applies to cannabis. If you smell something and it smells potent, smells pungent, you're like, oh, wow, that smells good, but it's just not vibing with me. That happens a lot, especially with me. Close friends of mine joke about how picky I am when it comes to strains, but this has been years and years and years of trial and error. And I know what works for me. I know what doesn't work for me. I know what works for the market. I know what doesn't work for the market. So these things are constantly evolving and you got to stay ahead of it too, because the market changes, but also when it really comes down to it, people are affected differently by different strains. So regardless of all these new strains and hybrids and breeds and genetics coming out, there's a reason why there's staple strains that have always existed. Well, not always, but for the past numerous decades have been around consistently, and they still are, and they're still in demand.